Hey everyone, welcome back to LaceUp channel. My name's Mickey. Over the last 6 years, I've configured and created hundreds, if not thousands, of customer company files and accounting files. In this process, I've really learned how to map each field correctly, how to set up items correctly, and how to make sure that the customer's profit and loss and balance sheet is up to par. But one little field over the years, it has really confused me beyond belief, and that's the field called inventory asset. Every time I'd create an inventory part or an inventory assembly, there'd be this little field, which I'll show right here, that would say asset account. And I'd be like, oh, what asset account do I put in? What do I do? I was terrified that I was messing up my customers' balance sheets and profit and losses. I had no idea what was gonna happen. I thought the whole business would implode, the customer would come after me, and my life would be over. But over time, I realized what an asset account was, the importance of an asset account, and why you should maintain an accurate inventory asset account. So an asset account is an account on your balance sheet, okay, that could either be categorized as a current asset or as a non-current asset. A current asset is an asset that will be consumed, used, or exhausted during this current accounting period or this current accounting year. A non-current asset is an asset you plan on holding for a long time. That could be your building, your equipment. That could be an asset that isn't easily liquidated. So you have, again, your current assets and your non-current assets. Now, within the current assets, you have your inventory asset. Your inventory asset is essentially your inventory you're on hand. What you have on hand, the value of that inventory. That is, how much, if you were to liquidate all that inventory right now, could you sell that inventory for? Normally, that's the cost of that inventory, right? So if you manufacture, it'd be the total sum of the cost of your raw materials plus your labor, etc. Or if you simply buy and resell, it would be the cost of the item that you bought. So for instance, if I sell bananas, in my inventory asset value, assuming I had 5 bananas at $1 cost a piece, I would have $5 in my inventory asset account. Now, that's really something that's simple to grasp. An inventory asset account allows you to see at a glimpse on your balance sheet what the value of your inventory is within the warehouse. Now, why is it important that you look at this value? Why is it important that you focus on getting this value accurate? Well, it's important to do so because having an accurate inventory asset value really enables you to evaluate your business. So a lot of entrepreneurs, they're in it because they love the work, they love doing the business, but after a while, they really get tired, they get fatigued of the day-to-day operations, and eventually they want to sell. Well, when you want to sell, you may want the highest bidder to come in with the best offer. Duh. So the way that you're gonna get somebody to come in at the highest dollar amount, you need to be able to show them, hey, my inventory asset value is X. And based on that X, they're able to add that value into the purchase price to give you the right dollar amount. If you don't have an accurate inventory value, guess what? The person who's purchasing you has no idea what to value your business at, because a distribution or a manufacturing biggest asset, actually, a distribution or manufacturing company's biggest asset is their inventory. And if you don't know what your inventory is, then nobody can really value your business. So the reason why you have to maintain an accurate asset value or inventory asset value is because it'll allow somebody purchasing you to actually give you the right dollar amount for your business. So sorry for interrupting your video. Look, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to pop out content that's really gonna help you, that's gonna make you a more successful entrepreneur. It's gonna make your distribution company even better. It's gonna allow you to take the next level. I hope you support me. Anyways, back to the video. The second reason why it's super important to keep your asset value and account completely accurate is what happens if tomorrow something occurs, a meteor hits the earth. Something happens to your business, you get sued, you need to liquidate. Something catastrophic happened, and you want to turn around and look at, what do I have in inventory so I can liquidate, get some cash, and pay this off and be done with it? Well, there's no way to do that if you don't maintain your asset value. Instead, you have to be like, Johnny, go out to the warehouse and count everything for me. Johnny's gonna bring you back a little spreadsheet, you're gonna hand key it, you're gonna tally up the totals. Think about how tedious that is. Think about how cumbersome that is. Wouldn't it be easier to just run your balance sheet, look at your little current assets, your inventory assets, and say, yeah, I got $1 million, let's liquidate. So having an accurate asset value for your inventory is a hedge against a future problem. It's a way to protect yourself in the event that anything happens. Because if anything happens, you're going to need a way to act fast, act efficiently, and do what's best for your business. The third and final reason why it's super important that you maintain an accurate inventory asset account is because if you don't, you truly have no idea how profitable your business is or how wasteful it is. You don't know where the holes in the ship are, where the ship is sinking, and you can't plug them because you don't know what's up with your inventory. By making your asset account accurate, you know exactly how much inventory is sitting in that big bad warehouse you have back there. You know exactly what products aren't selling and what the cost of those products are and what products you have to discount in order to move them. Because rotation is the only way to increase your revenue. If you don't rotate your product, guess what? You're broke. So by knowing this asset value, it really enables you to know the health of your business. So if you're a distributor, if you are a manufacturer and you've got no idea what that asset value is, then from an accounting purpose, you are completely lost. I would really recommend, okay, now that you know what an asset value is or an inventory asset value is and why it's important, I would recommend that you find a tax professional, a CFO, somebody who could sit down, organize your business, help you with your QuickBooks, and help you organize this asset value. Without this inventory asset value, you won't know the valuation of your business. Without this inventory asset value, you won't know what state you're in terms of your purchasing and your waste. Without this inventory asset value, you won't know what to do in the event of a catastrophe, in the event of a major problem where you need to liquidate. Without this inventory asset value, you are lost. So please, guys, hey, find somebody to do this for you. I hope you really enjoyed the video. I hope it was informational. If you have any comments, if you disliked what I said or disagreed, you know what? Hit me down below. I'm going to try to pop out content like this every single day. Apart from that, I really look forward to seeing you next video. Take care.